Well, good morning, guys, and welcome to the show. Fernando?
Welcome to the show, guys.
Today is a little bit different. Today we're gonna ask you guys to do something for us. I know, right? Check it out. If you guys have been following the show for a while, you know last year I ran for Installer of the Year. Fernando decided he didn't want to do it. He's shy that way. This year I put my foot down and I said, Fernando, you're running with me. We're both gonna do it. In order to run, you have to make a video, which, we do, so that's not a big deal. And you submit it, and then you get what's known as the top 50. They watch your videos and they say, hey, this guy said the right things, put up the right pictures. Looks like he's a candidate for the top 50. Well, we both got top 50. Now stay tuned till the end of this little pitch we're giving you because they're there. We haven't released them yet, but you're gonna see them both back to back. They're about 5 minutes long. Stay tuned to the end, you get to see them both. There's the lure to keep watching.
Yeah.
Now, you guys get to vote. There's two categories in which you can vote. If you're in industry and if you're not industry. What we thought we'd do is kind of walk you through the process as far as where to go and where to vote. Now keep in mind, you don't need to vote for us. You can vote for somebody that you like. At least this shows you how to do it. Let's take a look at the laptop. Go to meindustry.awards.com. Now don't worry, I'll put a link to it in the show notes so it makes it super easy. Go to the part of the website right here where it says voting open. Click on it. If you're a consumer, select consumer voting form. Fill out your name, city, phone number, state, email address. Yeah, you have to be over 14 in order to vote, I know. Please vote for your store chain of choice. Now, we didn't run for this, but there's tons of great guys that did. There might be some names that you recognize from the show, so feel free to vote for them. And to do that, click here, and then just scroll through. Maybe you'll find one of your hometown heroes, and you can vote for them. Please vote for installer of choice. Now you can scroll down here, and here's my name. If you scroll down further, right here is Fernando's name. Now you only get to vote once, but if you're married or have a girlfriend or a kid that's above 14, please feel free to, mix it up. Vote for me, vote for him.
Yeah.
There's two of you at home. Anyways, you get what I'm saying. You guys are smart. You know how to do this. Lastly, submit your vote. If you're in industry, select industry voting. It's going to ask you the same questions, your name, but where it's different is business or company name. The address, the city, the zip code, the phone number, email. And then you get to pick a lot of options. So you have store chain, online presence. Scroll down here and you have retailer and a second retailer. So this is one of the features of being in industry is you get to pick two. You get to pick two retailers and two installers. I'm just saying. You also get to pick Trusted Tech. Now Trusted Tech is what I personally am gonna go for. Not that I won't take Installer of the Year, I'll take them both, but I feel I have more chance as a Trusted Tech, and he does too. Because installers typically are big fabricators, and even though we do some fabrication, we're not doing a ton of it. If we get enough votes, maybe we can push through what an installer actually is. Somebody that installs and puts stuff in a car and has it nice. Oh well, I'm preaching now, so we won't do that.
Yeah.
Okay, anyways, pick who you like. Once you're done, select submit. And it's that simple.
Totally simple.
Thanks for being fans of the show and enjoying what we do, so please go out and vote. It means a lot to us, it really does.
Definitely.
Now for the carrot. Please enjoy our submission videos. Don't worry, we'll have more installer diaries for you guys to watch later,
Yes.
They're never gonna go. We're almost to 300.
Almost.
I know, it's crazy.
Yes.
All right, guys, thanks so much, enjoy, have a nice day.
Bye, guys.
Where's your catchphrase?
On to the next one.
There you go.
Hi, my name is Fernando Lopez. I have 9 years of experience. 7 of those I've been working with 5-star car stereo. My installation specialty, OEM integration. Also, I have a degree on sound treatment. No, I'm sorry, sound dampening. My installation philosophy is, I believe that we learn from different people. Mine is from the guy who's been teaching me all these years about the 12-volt industry. Listen to the customer on what they want, what are their needs, their expectations, and sometimes their fears. Come out with the solution that the customer is satisfied. Also, don't rush your installation or any project that you're doing. Skipping any steps is not the best way to do your job. I've been inspired for a lot of people people on the industry. For example, Ricardo Rangel from Monster at Mexico City. You know, it's amazing that he comes all the way here and pushes that Spanish community forward. He makes on seminars, teaching classes. That's one of those inspirations that everybody needs. Other one, that will be Brian Mitchell from ARC. Along with being the nicest guy I ever met, he can build a car so fast from top to bottom and make it sound incredible, like incredible. Another one that pops in my head is Chris Bennett from Audio Control, but everybody knows who's Chris Bennett. He always pushes the industry. It doesn't matter if you are a competitor or if you're not a dealer, he always be there for you, and that's amazing how he is on this industry. And of course, I can say Dean is the guy. That's the reason that I'm here right now talking to the camera. He always pushing me every single day to make sure whatever I do, it's the right way. He's my boss, he's my friend. He supports me every single day. It doesn't matter if it is in the professional side or in my personal side. How co-workers would describe me? I believe like a hard working member of this team. Try to keep the balance on every situation that's happening on the install bay or in the showroom. My team will describe me that I'm a guy that is easy to get along with. For me, every day is a challenge. Trying to keep up with all this technology that change constantly. Not only process it, but translate it for my clients. What I want my clients to remember about my installation, that every single part of their installation is being done with very attention of detail. That what they see on the video is what they get. 100% quality on my work. Why should I be part of the top 50 installers? I take pride in everything I do, and I make sure that all my installations reflect that. How my performance influences team and stall culture. I always try to be upbeat and approach things in a positive way. So let's take a look at the tools. I carry this bucket on every car that I work. I have crimpers, cutters, pick tools, sockets, pry tools, drills, everything I need to work on every car. I have a second set of tools right here on my bench. So when I'm working here on a project, I don't have to go back and forth looking for a tool. This is the toolbox. Candies, you have to have candies. Screwdrivers, nut, pry tools, the rest, sockets. This is my favorite one. Tuning tools, the laptop, microphones, DSP, heat guns, and everything. This is something that I keep all my notes for everything that we work on. In this corner, I have all my power tools, more soldering guns, another soldering gun here. It's also Valentina, man. Thank you for watching. Please enjoy some of the work that I done.
Hi, and welcome to the show. I'm Dean Bayette, Principal Installation Technician for the past 9 years at 5 Star Car Stereo. This year, I'm celebrating 30 years in this 12-volt industry. I'm also the owner of Smash Force Productions, where our focus is making entertaining and educational videos about the 12-volt industry. My main focus is on factory stereo, integration, and upgrade, using all the latest products and techniques to bring my clients' audio dreams to life. Every installation I do is always done to the best of my abilities. There are no shortcuts. Take your time and do it right. They entrusted me to do their car right the first time, therefore I don't want to waste any time and have to do it a second time. Fortunately, I'm not alone in my thinking. In my free time, I often find myself scrolling through thousands of amazing installers and their work on Instagram. I'm looking for inspiration or just marveling at the craftsmanship. With this drive to continuously work hard and give it your all, you have to have people around you with like minds, or at least willing to put up with you. I know I'm not the easiest person to work with. I have very high performance standards, and I've been told not everyone thinks like me. With that, I'm sure some people might think I'm unreasonable at times, and a bit of a hard ass. It's just who I am. Sorry, not sorry. The challenge of being in 12 volt is always going to be time and where your mind is. Time with your family, time with yourself doing something to keep you sane. I'm always working. Whether I'm thinking about a solution or an upcoming install or a video I want to shoot, the mind is always working on that. And sometimes it's hard to just disconnect, but I'm trying. But it's a struggle for me, but I'm getting better, day by day-ish. Any client I work with, I want them to know I put my all into their stereo. That I had just as much fun working on it as they're gonna have sitting back, listening, and enjoying the sound coming from it. A customer said this to me once that has kind of stuck with me. The last mile is always the loneliest. Well, I believe in walking a lot of lonely miles. Should I be one of the top installers? Working hard and always trying to improve your skills and knowledge. Always trying to put a smile on your client's face. Sharing what I've learned with others. If these qualify me, then please put my name on the list. Taking the lead is very important. Making sure that from the moment I start talking to somebody on the phone to when I hand them back their keys at the end of the install, that the whole experience was done up to a standard that I'm happy with. I try to promote that through everyone that works here so that they understand the values and are not afraid to take an extra 5 minutes to do something that just might be cool, whether it be something as simple as just adding a logo, starting over from scratch, just to make sure that even though it's one little piece, it's a part of a bigger picture that all those little pieces add up to make. None of this, though, would be possible without the tools of the trade. I'm a professional, therefore I have to have the tools I need to do the job, and of course the knowledge to know how to use them. This is how I make a living. I have to invest in myself because nobody else will. As a professional, you do need to own your own tools. If there's a tool you use every day and you don't own it, you better get yourself one. Thank you for watching. Please enjoy viewing some of my work.